take my eyes off the road because it's a bit bumpy. Ah, good. Pulling over. Yeah, good thinking. I want to get that view. Yeah.
So if you want to drive up to the little sweep up there.
Yeah.
Bridge. You want to stop up there and pick me up, and we can stop there for a coffee.
So I'll drive up to the top where all those rocks are.
Yeah, and I think there's a parking area around about there.
Okay, right. I'll just I want to get this. Yeah, the dam. Yeah, that's a wall, like, you know.
Yeah.
And it's like what, 100 foot high or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've been up this way before. I've been to Kanaviou.
Okay.
And Panagia. I was buying a house in Panagia. First of all, sent the deposit over and everything.
Tulips.
Wow. Okay. Right, we're just going to get the bike on camera coming up the hill. Billy wants me to film the bike, so that'll be good for the channel. Whether he thinks there's a zoom lens on this thing. Okay. I don't think you'll be able to see much with that arm cover. Maybe he wants me to go further up. No, there's nothing up there, you wouldn't be able to see anything. Maybe this was his plan. He's got the coffee and the sandwiches and everything. He's just going to disappear with it. Oh no, here he is. Right, well, a tiny speck in the difference is Billy. So, but it gives us a magnificent view of the area. And as we pan around, and he's gone. I'll be able to sell that on eBay. Ah, welcome to Fyti.
Two different ways of spelling it.
Yeah. Well, do you know where Paphos? Paphos, Pafos. Every village is spelt with two ways. Lemba and Lempe.
Right.
They're all spelt two different ways.
Difference when you're reading the map. Sometimes it doesn't look.
Yeah,
the same,
yeah.
You know, you get like on the sign.
That's if you learn a little bit of Greek, you'll notice that, you know, like an X, an English X, that's also a ch, a G, a G, but it's pronounced ch in Greek. God, this is
Stunning, huh?
fabulous, that, yeah.
I know you can get into that. I don't know where that road goes.
Yeah.
Like I say, I don't know how much you got me, but
I haven't been up this one before. Do you know when we took a right to here? I went down that way.
I mean, say we came here and filmed it for here. You see,
Even coming down this road would be fantastic, you know.
yeah, just a bit iffy that road because it collapsed.
Yeah, it's
You can see the difference in it.
should we have a coffee here now? Yeah.
Well, listen, look at the scenery.
Yeah. Right, we're going to have a coffee, take a small break. Okay, we're just had a coffee. And we're just going to carry on up this road. Fantastic place to stop and look at the views. It's a bit windy, but just going to go up and have a little look at the village here. This is another couple of 100 metres above sea level, I think probably 1200 metres maybe above sea level, maybe even higher. Oh, so this is Fyti. I've never been up this particular road. Machinery in there. Nice little village, isn't it? Oh yeah.
One here is usually open when she makes it. When we mix it,
Oh right, yeah. Don't look too interested because someone might run over and we'll have to sit here for an hour watching a weave.
Well, we ended up in that Savannah when they done the treasure hunt.
Ah, right.
Had, done a treasure hunt and ended up in that one there.
Yeah.
The guy in there with a moustache, the white moustache.
Yeah.
That's it. You come up. You sit there with him. And he's with that taberna there.
Ah, I see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's a lovely little village, isn't it? Yeah.
Nice wee place just to go up to.
Yeah, yeah,
Some lunch, you know.
yeah. Here's a typical menu. Fyti Tavern. Right.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, I've never been up this one, to be honest. Thought there might still be remains of the thing on my face. Felt like one of those huge moths. And let's get this visor down a little bit. These moths flying around. Every now and then you see a few of them, you know, it's not like they're everywhere. Whether the camera's picking all these up. All the birds there, maybe they're eating them. Right, this is the road that I've been on before, if we're going left. Not that junction, this one, yeah. Towards Kanaviou and Panagia. good to get out of Cyprus. The difference in the landscape is just stunning. The way it changes from each different area of the island. It's just a varied landscape. The roads. Without the rain. This is lovely, this, going through this village. Reminds me of the Isle of Man, Latchy. With the trees and everything. Another winery. It's lovely and cool where all these trees provide shade. There's the wall. That wall in front